Hello, my name is, I think it's fine. My name is Muhammad and I'm basically from Pakistan. I am representing Calypso Private Limited company, and today I'm going to attend a workshop EBBS in Istanbul, and uh, the quality of workshop and overall institute is very good. They organize very well, and they choose a good location, and quality of institute I think is the best opportunity for all of agents who can attend the workshop and meet with the quality of institute and have a fruitful meeting. I'm looking forward to attend 2 more days in this workshop. I think is a best option and good idea for all international agents and institute, and I highly encourage to all agencies and institute to participate in this great event. Thank you very much.